Unit 3, I, A. Got your short vowel sounds. I got your diphthong. A got your short vowel sounds. A got your diphthong. As a, I, A. In Kugo, they Kubo, and Shimbiro, Piatra, the Narahote. Alright. I common spellings got your Y, I, IGH, and IE. And we must use time wisely and forever realize that the time is always right to do right. As a ripe, I be, right, I be, time I be, realize, lies I be, wisely I be, no? Fly, sky, apply, style. Wine sonda, wine go, I nenapura, fly mode, fly, sky, apply, style. Style. I. A tanga, to yet a consonant to a bureau, bound to style, apply. Alright, let's go to I. Nice, kind, fine, sign. The attention do go to I attenatore. Let's go to IGH, light, fight, sight, night. Let's go to IE, and I lie, tie, tired. Word pairs to go to lime pies, white wine, fly a kite. Nice try. 9 lives, bright light, fly high, sign on the line, fine dining, 99. Out of what I at the G out there. Alright, next got A. Got A. No? Take time for all things. Great haste makes great waste. No? I for all things. Great A. Eddie A. Great haste makes great waste. Great haste makes great waste. A take time to I at the Nepala. Alright? So a little low ne, but not in solo low ye. Yango song show the hotel Malo up and there. Yankong there, but no, but Miss Similar Low Mason, Malo at the Niama, Pasanga Gong there. Oi, Papsura Amazon, oi, Pitolim. Alright, common spelling patterns for A, consonant E swing, late, came, take, save. And AI, rain, wait, pain, aim. And AY, say, away, play, Monday. EY, day, survey, obey. EIGH, EIGH, WEIGH. E got janky. Way got chin up, no? Wait, 8, neighbor, neighbor, freight. But A, April, alien, angel. That nere, bono, ego, A, not able, bono, ego, A at the netwata, nere. Alright, that was a common spelling to bono, A, na E, jarema consonant she, AI, AY, EY, EIGH, being A, that was the common spellings for A. Alright, word pairs the same way, stay away, escape from jail, take a break, stay the same, explain the situation, play baseball, 88, bake a cake, save the whales เนาะအဲ့တော့ session ထဲမှာကကျွန်တော်ကဘာလို့ပြောမလဲဆိုရင်ပေါ့နော် AI နဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးတော့ AI ကကျွန်တော် common spelling တွေထဲကနေA လက်ထွက်တယ်လို့မျိုး A လက်ထွက်တယ်ပေါ့နော် SAID set အဲ့ဒါ A တန်ပြသွားတယ်ဒီမှာကျ RAIN rain ပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါဒီမှာကျတော့ A ဖြစ်သွား A လည်းဖြစ်တယ် A လည်းဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးတော့ session မှာကတော့တွားပြီးတော့ပြောလေ့ကျင့်မှာဟုတ်တယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့် session မှာကကျတော့အတန်ထွက်မှန်ဖို့ရယ်ပြီးဖို့ရယ်တန်ရှင်းပါဇက်ပြောတဲ့အချိန်မှာပေါ့နော်ရောပြီးတော့မနေဖို့ရယ်ပြီးနောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ဒီလိုမျိုးပေါ့နော် review ရှင်းပြီးတော့ပြောခိုင်းတာလေ့ကျင့်ခိုင်းတာအဲ့ဒါပဲလုပ်မှာနော် All right thank you so much